Hello guys, review OPPO A6X, this version 4GB RAM and 128GB storage, open box, and look complementation. In complementation we have device in the purple color, and in the box we can find adapter for charging, Type-C cable and key for SIM slot. Okay. On the back side, double camera and LED. On the front side, 6.75-inch display, power button and warm buttons on this side. On this side, slot for 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside, Type-C, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device. Open settings. About phone, we have 6100 mAh battery, 6.75 inch, Android 15 and Color OS 15, Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 octa-core processor. Open Geekbench 4, look results, single core score, multi-core score, CPU test results and GPU test results. Okay. Look Antutu benchmark. Antutu benchmark results. Close this and run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Game load and load on the medium graphic level. Okay. Game works good without lags and glitches. Okay, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.